Hello guys, welcome back my channel. My name is Patra. I'm from Sragen. I'm 55 years, technical department. Now we're going to explain how it works, the function and the various welding. Let's go. First, we have to prepare for work safely. Let's go. First, wear part. 2 gloves. Three hands. Let's go. The welding. Welding is one of the welding techniques by melting a part of the mother metal and loading metal with or without pressure, and with or without holding metal and producing continuous joints. The function welding. Welding is for power of a metal connection that access the mechanical nature of a parent metal, the attraction, violence, bounce. The idea of class SFAW is a metal finishing process that uses hot energy to melt work objects and electrodes in electrodes. The welding creating of a metal arc welding is on electric welding process that hot together metal. First, put an alloy using heat focus emulsion from electrode supplied regularly. The last tungsten is an electric welder process that uses tungsten electrodes that cannot be assembled to produce the weld.
Is a welding position that will use position 1G. First, we set the electric. Then we set up a welding machine and a negative and positive welding cable.
How electric weld move and electric flow across the tip of the electrode starts the mother metal as an electric current, cause a short current to occur, and then say the welding machine is converted into hot energy until it melts the electrode and the mother metal.
Let's look at the welding process. An electrical shaft to the right, to the left, to the size of a welder.
That was a welding job. Thanks for attention. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. See you guys.